Okay, I don't know how often you clean your oven, but we should definitely clean it a little bit more often. So mine is like this right now. Normally what we do here is pizzas, not much oven guy, but this is how it looks like now. We're going to clean it really quick using power tools. First step is using an electric vacuum to take all the scrubs out. So I'm gonna use just the products that I have at home. Yeah, so let's just put some products in. You use what you have at hand. You can use water with vinegar and baking soda. It's a nice combo, but I don't have baking soda at this moment, so I'm gonna use these. This is general cleaning W5 from Lidl, and you can use it as well. Actually, what's going to do a really good job here is the power tools. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so next, use your power tool. Take this out, put it in speed, right? And use this kind of adapter. I have a link in the description below where you can find these adapters. They're really awesome because you can use them to scrub, and also they have another adapters to sand. So it's really practical and really handy. So it's good now. It's in the highest speed possible right now. And now we're going to scrub. So let's do it. So we probably can see already a big difference. I'm gonna take this for you to see. So as you can see, already looks cleaner. We only have right here some dirt and some focal points. I'm gonna try to take these out, these two, to clean really well here as well. One is out and two, right. Okay, so let's continue. I'm gonna spray a little bit more, and now we're going to do the sides and the back there. Okay, I want to show you exactly the difference close up, so come here. Okay, so you see there, we're going to scrub there. Now see the difference. You see the difference? Look at the difference. Beautiful, and it's really easy. Okay, you saw how easy it is. So I'm gonna scrub the rest of it. Let me show you. So right now with 3 minutes of cleaning, the inside is like this already, right? So now I'm going to do it once more. Okay, so the inside is done. I changed the scrubber to a red one. Now I'm gonna just spray this. It's for glass. I'm gonna spray now like this, and to take the fibers out, and I'm gonna clean it with napkins instead of a towel. So okay, so as you can see, it has red stuff. It's from the scrub. Okay, what a mess. So the outside of the oven is clean and the inside, it's awesome in my opinion. It's already clean. Now we're going to clean the accessory. So let's do that, but first let's check it out the inside. So we're in the bathroom and this is hot water with detergent. So we're going to take the plug out. I don't have one, so what I've done was with the bag's poop of my dog, I fill it in with rice, and you can put it on the drain and stops the water to go away. So it's a good tip. They're glued together. Be careful with these pieces because they're expensive to replace. So as you can see, the dirt is coming out very easy, so I'm gonna scrub them, and I'm gonna do that to all of them. I'm gonna show you pieces of each one, and then we're putting together the oven. So let's start it. Man, really easy, really easy. I hope you're seeing this. Let's see. Okay, done. Okay, let's do this one. I believe the hardest one is these. So let's take care of the easiest first. Okay, I'm gonna change the battery of the screwdriver because it finished, it ended. So I'll come back. Okay, battery changed. Let's continue. Okay, so the tray is done. There are some parts that it's very hard to do it. You can do it by hand. I'm not going to bother, but you can do it. Or use one of these, but smaller. I don't have one, so it is what it is. Okay, so the cleaning is done. It's not perfect because only with a screwdriver is impossible to take all the dirt from this kind of rack system. And the ideal cleaning tool will be a steam machine. But hey, I think it's almost spot on. So I'm going to put all together and then I'll show you the final result. Let me show you the final result. I'm really excited. So as you can see, it's almost as good as it gets. So yeah, this is how I clean my oven. It's a power tool, some scrubs, some random cleaning supplies, and it's, as you can see, I think it's good enough. And now I'm just going to pass once more with a clean towel, and then I'll put it on max temperature to burn everything, and then it's good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.